To achieve satisfactory investment results is easier than most people realize. To achieve superior results is harder than it looks. In the world of securities, courage becomes the supreme virtue after adequate knowledge and a tested judgment are at hand. You must never delude yourself into thinking that you're investing when you're speculating. Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. By not on optimism, but on arithmetic. Individuals who cannot master their emotions are ill-suited to profit from the investment process. The essence of investment management is the management of risks, not the management of returns. Investing isn't about beating others at their game. It's about controlling yourself at your own game. People who invest make money for themselves. People who speculate make money for their brokers. And that, in turn, is why Wall Street perennially downplays the durable virtues of investing and hypes the gaudy appeal of speculation. By when most people, including experts, are pessimistic, and sell when they are actively optimistic. Before you invest, you must ensure that you have realistically assessed your probability of being right and how you will react to the consequences of being wrong. Good management produce a good average market price, and bad management produce bad market prices. The stock market resembles a huge laundry in which institutions take in large blocks of each other's washing, without rhyme or reason. The volume of credit depends upon three factors: the desire to borrow, the ability to lend, and the desire to lend. The genuine investor in common stocks does not need a great equipment of brain and knowledge, but he does need some unusual qualities of character. An intelligent investor gets satisfaction from the thought that his operations are exactly opposite to those of the crowd. Never mingle your speculative and investment operations in the same account nor in any part of your thinking. Successful investing professionals are disciplined and consistent, and they think a great deal about what they do and how they do it. The individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. The investor who permits himself to be stampeded or unduly worried by unjustified market declines in his holdings is perversely transforming his basic advantage into a basic disadvantage. While enthusiasm may be necessary for great accomplishments elsewhere, on Wall Street it almost invariably leads to disaster. By developing your discipline and courage, you can refuse to let other people's mood swings govern your financial destiny. In the end, how your investments behave is much less important than how you behave. The true investor will do better if he forgets about the stock market and pays attention to his dividend returns and to the operation results of his companies. It requires strength of character in order to think and to act in opposite fashion from the crowd, and also patience to wait for opportunities that may be spaced years apart. Before you place your financial future in the hands of an advisor, it's imperative that you find someone who not only makes you comfortable but whose honesty is beyond reproach. The best values today are often found in the stocks that were once hot and have since gone cold. To have a true investment, there must be a true margin of safety. And a true margin of safety is one that can be demonstrated by figures, by persuasive reasoning, and by reference to a body of actual experience. An investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and an adequate return. Successful investment may become substantially a matter of techniques and criteria that are learnable, rather than the product of unique and incommunicable mental powers. If you are shopping for common stocks, choose them the way you would buy groceries, not the way you would buy perfume. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. The investor's chief problem and even his worst enemy is likely to be himself. Without a saving faith in the future, no one would ever invest at all. To be an investor, you must be a believer in a better tomorrow. Investment is most intelligent when it is most businesslike.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest update.